indicator that gives you buy and sell with no repaint, and I use this personally. I have grown my account significantly this year. So I'm going to show you the last trade that we took in my group, which was the buy before the gold did rise. We took this trade. It was around 1,000 pip that we took, the profit that we took. And as you can see, we have the main indicator that gives us the trend. If it is blue, we only take these buys. If it is red, we take the sells. And before that, we took this trade, which was a short. It was not a lot of pips, but it was profitable, around 200 pips. This one we didn't take, and these all buys were all profitable. So yeah guys, if you want to join and trade with me, I put the link in the description. You can join, you are welcome. And you can see all the profits that we have made. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and see you in the next one.